Welcome back to Quiz Guru. Today we are playing a game to test your knowledge of airplane models. We provide information about the plane in pictures, and you need to answer within 10 seconds. Hurry up and give it a try. Let's start now. Can you guess what model our first plane is? Boeing 737. A narrow-body aircraft famed for short to medium-haul capabilities. The 737, the best-selling jet airliner globally, has several models like the Classic, Next Generation, NG, and Max, known for reliability and efficiency. Airbus A320. A single-aisle, narrow-body jet used primarily for short to medium-range flights. Part of the A320 family, including A318, A319, A320, and A321, it's known for versatility and fuel efficiency, featuring advanced technology. Boeing 747. Known as the jumbo jet, the Boeing 747 is a large, long-range wide-body aircraft with a distinctive upper deck. It revolutionized long-haul flights by offering increased capacity and range. Airbus A380. The world's largest passenger airliner, a double-deck, wide-body, four-engine jet airliner renowned for its size and efficiency. Designed for long-haul flights, it can carry more passengers than any other in commercial service. Boeing 777. A long-range, wide-body twin-engine jet airliner known for its large capacity and range. The 777's advanced design and materials provide an efficient and comfortable experience. Airbus A350. A family of long-range, wide-body airliners known for their fuel efficiency. They are the first Airbus aircraft with fuselage and wings made primarily from carbon fiber reinforced polymer. Boeing 787 Dreamliner. A long-haul, mid-size wide-body, twin-engine jet airliner. Its lightweight design due to composite materials leads to improved fuel efficiency. It's known for its innovative features and passenger comfort. Embraer E-Jets. A series of narrow-body, short to medium-range twin-engine jet airliners produced by Brazilian aerospace company Embraer. The series includes several models like E170, E175, E190, and E195. Bombardier CRJ series. Regional jet series including CRJ 200, CRJ 700, CRJ 900, and CRJ 1000. Known for their efficiency in regional and short-haul routes, these jets have been a popular choice for smaller airlines. Cessna Citation. A family of business jets produced by Cessna. Ranging from small to mid-size, the Citation series is known for its versatility, comfort, and performance in the private jet market. Boeing 767. A mid to large size, long-range, wide-body twin-engine jet airliner. The 767's design was a breakthrough in aerodynamics and cabin design, making it popular for transcontinental routes. Airbus A330. A medium to long-range wide-body twin-engine jet airliner. The A330 family offers a combination of low operating costs, flexibility, and comfort. It's well suited for a range of routes. McDonnell Douglas MD-80. A series of twin-engine, short to medium-range, single-aisle, commercial jet airliners. The MD-80 series was known for its efficiency and was used predominantly in North America. Bombardier -8. A series of turboprop-powered regional airliners, known for their excellent short-field performance and efficiency. These aircraft have been widely used for shorter regional routes. Airbus A340. A long-range, four-engine, wide-body commercial passenger jet airliner. The A340 was known for its ability to fly long-haul routes with fewer restrictions, thanks to its four engines. Boeing 757. A midsize, narrow-body twin-engine jet airliner that was known for its range and efficiency. The 757 has a high-performance record and has been used extensively for both short and long-haul routes. Embraer Phenom 300. A light business jet produced by Brazilian manufacturer Embraer. Known for its speed, efficiency, and cabin comfort, the Phenom 300 is one of the most popular jets in its class.
Comfort and technology.
Gulfstream G650. A twin-engine business jet airplane produced by Gulfstream Aerospace. Known for its range, speed, and luxurious interior, the G650 is one of the most exclusive private jets available. Boeing 727. A midsize, narrow-body three-engine jet airliner. The 727 was designed for shorter flights, but with the capability to operate from shorter runways, a unique feature at its time. Lockheed Martin C-130 Hercules. A four-engine turboprop military transport aircraft. The C-130 Hercules is known for its versatility and ability to use unprepared runways for takeoffs and landings, extensively used by air forces around the world. Games, the test is over. Did you guys have fun? Let us know in the comments. Remember to subscribe for more quizzes. Stay tuned for our next video. See you.